so excited. Look what came already. It's the bench. I ordered it on a Saturday and got it on a Monday. Let's open it up. The legs in there? I think the legs could be inside. Yes. Looks good. So here are the pieces. Looks like it's going to be easy to put together. Let's make sure we have all the pieces. Bolts. Twelve spring washers. Flat washers and an Allen key. Okay, so the legs go on the top part of the bench first. So we have the Allen key, we have the bolt, we have the spring washer, and then the flat washer. So the bolt, the spring washer, and the flat washer. Sorry, my nails should be done for this video. Wasn't thinking ahead. I guess I was too excited to just put this thing together. Get that nice and tight. Make sure this one is nice and tight. Yep. It's good. Leg. Spring washer. Flat washer. Let's do the bottom first. And we'll tighten it up. Gotta tell you, it's pretty easy. Do this. Make it tight. Looking good. Okay, nice and tight. One more leg to go. Okay, nice and tight. All four legs are on. Hi, I was wondering where you were. It's my assistant. Now this part looks like it's going to be a little more tricky. It's not heavy, but oh, maybe it's going to be fine. Oop. All right, we just gotta fit it in there the right way. All right, that's right. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put the bolts in to hold everything in place as I go. Screw it lightly in place. Okay, there we go. That works. I'm just tightening up all these bolts now. Okay, it's all together. Now I'm just going to flip it over. If you didn't see my last video, I measured this out with blue painter's tape to make sure it would fit here nicely. I think it's super cute. So it took me maybe a little over a half hour to put this bench together. It was super, super easy. And it's so cute. It was $175.99 on Wayfair. Came super quick, was easy to put together. I definitely recommend it. I am waiting for a bigger piece of furniture that I ordered from Wayfair. If you saw my last video, you'll see what it is. So I'm hoping it comes soon and I will do a video on that one too. And you know what? If I can do it, you can do it too. I thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more home project videos. I'll see you in the next one.